Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to elevate your edits using the smooth transition on CapCut mobile. So first, just add the images or videos that you want to edit. And on the overlay here, so I'm adding the picture in the overlay and the video on the main track. So on the overlay, enlarge it so it cover most of the screen like this. And after that, move it out of the keyframe, out of the screen like this to the right and add a keyframe at the start. Then move forward a bit. So here in the middle, I'm going to add it in the middle and drag it back to the left like this. And after that, it will move like this, so the picture will move like this. And after that, click on the video in the main track, go to mask, then select the horizontal, rotate the masking like this vertically, and then here move it to the right like this, and then add a keyframe and move the masking as the picture move. Okay, after that it will make this result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!